Using Audacity for post-production. We're going to take you through post-production steps using Audacity, which is a free and easy-to-use audio editor. Audacity can be used on Windows or Mac computers. Before starting the editing process, please note that it is crucial to make a copy of your audio files and use the copied files when you are editing. Open Audacity and import your copied audio files.
Noise reduction. To remove background noise of your audio files, select 10 to 15 seconds of audio sample. Go to the Effect menu, choose Noise Removal and Repair, and then select Noise Reduction. And then select Get Noise Profile. Double-click to select the entire file. Go back to Effect, choose Noise Removal and Repair, and then select Noise Reduction, and then select the OK button. This will remove the background noise from your track.
Normalize. To ensure your audio is at the optimal sound range, double-click to select the entire track. Go to the Effect menu. Choose Volume and Compression, then select Normalize, and then select the Apply button. This will adjust the volume of your voice track to have more consistent levels.
Insert another audio file. To insert a music or sound file, go to File, then Import, then select Audio. Browse to the music or sound file you want to upload.
Time shift. Time shift allows you to move your sound files where you want them to be on the timeline. You can move the audio file over so that the intro music will be first in the sound sequence. Select the track you want to move and hover at the top of the track. A hand cursor will appear. Select and drag it to the time on the timeline where you feel it should be located. In this case, we put it at 15 seconds into the timeline.
Envelope tool. We can use the envelope tool to reduce the sound of the music background so we can hear the voice. Select the music sample, select the envelope tool, and then add multiple points on the music track. Select the points and reduce it as needed. Please note that if you want the music to go silent behind your narration track, you can either select it and delete, or select it and convert it to silence by clicking on Edit, Remove Special, Silence Audio.
Mix and render. To combine tracks, select the tracks you want to combine, then go to Tracks, then Mix, and then Mix and Render. Now you can save your Audacity project in the Documents folder by going to File, Save Project As, then give your project a name. Once you have saved your project, then you can export your file as MP3. Go to File, Export, Export as MP3. This concludes our Audacity video. Thank you for watching.